Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Anda Malescu and I am the owner of Malescu Law, a law firm based in Miami, Florida. Here at Malescu Law, we specialize in serving Florida companies and foreign companies and investors in the area of business, corporate, and immigration law. If you need to reach out to us, you have our contact information in this video and below this video. Today we are going to speak about the Trump administration executive order which was issued June 22nd and suspends certain visa categories, non-immigrant visa categories in L-1, J-1, H-1B and H-2B, and also a number of immigrant visa categories. On June 22nd, 2020, President Trump signed an executive order suspending the entry and also the issuance of new visa to those foreign nationals on L-1 visa, H-1B visa, H-2B visa, and J-1 visa for trainee, interns, au pair, camp counselors, teachers, and those individuals enrolled in the summer work and travel program, as well as the spouses and dependent children of these visa holders, starting June 24, 2020 and until December 31st, 2020. However, the executive order does not apply to those individuals who already hold these type of visas, so the L-1 visa, H-1B visa, H-2B visa, and the certain J-1 visa, and they have a valid visa on June 24, 2020, and it also does not apply to those individuals who are in the United States on June 24, 2020 and are in the process of change of status to one of these visas or extension of status. Aside from these restrictions, the executive order further suspends the issuance of new U.S. immigrant visas, so green cards, in certain categories, including the EB-2 and EB-3 immigrant visas, but excluding the EB-5 immigrant investor program. However, the restrictions on immigrant visas do not apply to those individuals who already hold a valid U.S. immigrant visa on June 24, 2020, or are currently in the United States on June 24, 2020, and in a process of adjustment of status to one of the immigrant visas available. The question is, what are the visa categories and individuals impacted by the June 22nd executive order? The foreign individuals in the following non-immigrant visa categories, together with their spouses and dependent children, are impacted by the executive order if they do not have a valid U.S. visa in the following non-immigrant categories on June 24, 2020. The H-1B visa for specialty occupations and fashion models, the H-2B visa for non-agricultural workers, the L-1A visa for intra-company transferees for executives or managers, the L-1B visa for intra-company transferees for individuals with specialized knowledge, and J-1 visa for interns, trainees, teachers, camp counselors, au pair, and those individuals enrolled in the summer work and travel program. The green cards that are impacted by the June 22nd executive order include: 1. Those foreign nationals who are outside of the United States as of April 24th, 2020 and are obtaining their green card through consular processing. Usually, for those foreign nationals that are outside of the country and are obtaining their green card through consular processing, they need to attend an interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate abroad to obtain an immigrant visa, and with that immigrant visa, they can come to the United States and get their green card. However, the executive order on June 22nd impacts these individuals because there are no visas issued right now through the U.S. consulate or embassies abroad for these individuals that are currently outside of the United States as of April 24, 2020. However, there are certain exceptions to some individuals, including the investor visa program. And second, another category of individuals impacted by the executive order on June 22nd are those individuals who do not have a valid U.S. immigrant visa as of April 24th. 2020, an advance parole, or other valid U.S. travel document. The foreign nationals in the following non-immigrant visa categories, together with their spouse and children, are not impacted by the June 22nd executive order: the B1, B2 visa for temporary business visitors and tourism, the F1 visa for students in academic programs, the F3 visa, the M1 visa for students in vocational programs, the M3 visa, the TN NAFTA professional, the O1 visa for individuals with extraordinary abilities, the E1 visa for treaty traders, the E2 visa for treaty investors, the E2 CNMI visa for investors, the E3 visa, the P visas, the Q visas, the R visas, also the H-2A visas for agricultural workers, and H-3 visa and I visa. The following individuals are also not impacted by the June 22nd, 2020 executive order. 1. All foreign nationals who are physically present in the United States as of June 24, 2020, including those who are applying or are awaiting applications for change of status or extension of status in the H-1B, H-2B, L-1, and certain J-1 visa categories. 2. Foreign individuals who hold a valid U.S. visa, advance parole, or other travel document as of June 24, 2020, including those individuals who are outside of the United States and have, as of June 24, 2020, a valid U.S. visa in the H-1B, H-2B, L-1, and certain J-1 visa category. 3. Foreign nationals who are applying for a J-1 visa, except for interns, trainees, teacher, camp counselor, au pair, and the summer work and travel program. 4. Canadians are exempt from the executive order, including exempt from the restrictions on the suspension of H-1B, H-2B, L-1, and certain J-1 visa. 5. Those foreign nationals applying for the EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program. 6. Those foreign nationals who are currently in the United States and are applying for a green card through adjustment of status. And we have 7. U.S. lawful permanent residents. 8. Spouses and children of U.S. citizens. 9. Members of U.S. Armed Forces, including their spouses and children. 10. Those foreign nationals entering the United States to provide temporary labor and services related to the U.S. food supply chain. 11. Foreign nationals whose entry into the United States is in the national interest of the United States. For these categories, the standards have not yet been published, and they will be developed in the upcoming weeks. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions or you need to contact us to discuss your situation, or you want to provide us with suggestions about topics we can cover in the upcoming weeks, please do so. You have our contact information in this video and also below this video. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.